It's a Chevy Traverse, doing donuts.
June 21st in the city of Westland.
I'm not sure what's going on.
And how would a police officer know what's going on?
This guy's conscious. He's holding the wheel.
The man's making eye contact with him.
I'm telling you, this guy's conscious. He's smiling at me.
He's laughing and smiling. What does that tell you?
Either he's having a really good time or possibly he's not in a clear mental state.
Get out. It's on fire, man. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. He's not trying to get out.
He's resisting the officer's efforts to save his life.
Fire. Get out the car, man. Get out the car.
I don't think he understands the gravity of the situation that he's in.
Oh, he's got a knife. He's got a knife. Hey, knife. He's got that. Put that knife down, man. Put the knife down, sir. Put the knife down.
He definitely backed them off with the knife.
The situation escalating for police. The man has a weapon, a razor blade.
Drop that razor blade, sir. Hey, don't fight. Don't fight. I got him. All right. Get it. Don't fight. Get down. Get him on the ground. Get him on the ground. Just relax. Just relax.
They took extra steps and extra precautions to assure the well-being of this driver.
Okay, he's cuffed him. All right, guys, get him up. Let's get him seated up. Sit up. We're going to turn you over. There you go. Sit up.
We do go through de-escalation training. We have been doing that for a while here, and these are some of those tactics that are shown in a very tense situation coming to use.
We're told he is 43 years old from Livonia. The police took him to the hospital where it was determined that he was under the influence of a controlled substance. He was arrested, but he has not been formally arraigned. This situation could have been, though, a lot worse.
Clearly, these officers are not jumping to extremes. They are showing a great deal of compassion, and they're handling situations and saving people's lives.
Fireman right here, man. Relax. Safe. You're okay.
In Westland, Charlie Langton, Fox 2 News.